You wake up to the sound of screaming. At first you think it's a nightmare. Then you hear it again. A woman is crying somewhere down the street. You have just awakened in Europe, 1348. The city is still standing.
Yes, they took him last night. He was fine yesterday.
The markets are open. But something feels wrong.
Come on, move!
People avoid each other in silence. Fear has no name, but everyone feels it. Every traveler brings the same warning.
Only 2 coins. By the saints, what is wrong with him?
One morning, someone becomes ill. A fever begins. Then exhaustion. Then pain.
Keep away! Move back quickly!
Doors close in silence. Families stop coming outside. And the city begins to change. The city starts to break apart. Farmers abandon their fields without looking back. Shops close their doors and never reopen. Trade slows, then disappears completely. Gravediggers work until their bodies collapse. Mass graves appear outside the city walls. Every sunrise brings news no one wants to hear. One morning, you wake up cold.
Deliver us from evil.
Holy Mary, Mother of God, have mercy on us, sinners.
Your body feels wrong. Your head is heavy. Then you feel it under your skin. A swelling that should not exist. You have seen this before. Now it is inside you. There is no cure. No physician can save you. The fever grows stronger. The world outside fades away. Even love begins to disappear from your door. The city continues without you. And you finally understand, it will not stop. The city is no longer what it was. What once lived here is gone. Only the structures remain. Doors move without hands, pushed by wind. The markets still stand, but they mean nothing now. Smoke rises from houses that feel empty. The streets stretch endlessly through silence. Even the land outside the walls has forgotten names. The dying has finally begun to slow. For the first time in months, the city dares to breathe again. Survivors step into the sunlight. The world outside feels unfamiliar, almost foreign. Entire homes stand abandoned. Their owners are gone, and they will never return. The streets are quieter now, not because people are hiding, but because so many are missing. Fields wait for workers who no longer exist. Harvests are left to the mercy of time. Across Europe, nearly everyone has lost someone. Grief has become a shared language. Yet something unexpected begins to happen. The survivors suddenly become more valuable than ever before. The old order starts to weaken. A different society is slowly taking shape.
Make way! The cart is coming through!
Europe will recover, but it will never again be the Europe that entered the plague. The Black Death changed history forever, and the world that emerged afterward was a different world entirely. The plague did not simply kill millions. Its effects would echo for centuries. With so few workers left alive, labor became more valuable than ever before.
And I'll need 2 skilled men, not boys.
Landowners faced a reality they had never imagined. There were simply not enough hands to work the land. Old systems began to crack. Society was being forced to adapt.
See that it is delivered by midday.
Knowledge continued to spread. New ideas found space to grow in a changing world. Slowly, towns recovered. Trade returned, and life began moving forward again. But the continent that emerged was no longer the same. The plague had reshaped Europe forever. If you had lived through the Black Death, you would have witnessed the end of one world and the beginning of another.